Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable power saving mode on your ACER Chromebook 315 laptop. In order to do this, you're going to have to open the control center first in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then go to settings by clicking this gear icon. Next, navigate to system preferences on the sidebar and open power menu in here. Then to enable battery saver, just switch this toggle to the right. You can only enable battery saver when your device is plugged, is not connected to the power source. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.